Because all build ups na City gina 30. First breaks ni City gina 7. High press City gina 31. Now so mo Manchester so bebre. And the XG is here 3.3 XG for City, 0.3 XG for Manchester United. Now fancy Pep Guardiola the mama hunu say the adwuma no me pa nie. The catalyst for na game ni na Phil Foden, enye Kevin De Bruyne, enye Ruben Dias, enye John Stones, enye Jeremy Doku, enye Bernardo Silva. The time me hunu say ne money na ekoso otimi sisa anyoma ma Foden tim be ya adwuma no. O check Phil Foden within the game na nkasa na a boy na. Now Phil Foden a movie from being a creator to even a goal scorer. Now, only Ten Hag realizes say Victor Lindelof on Timmy Foden money Kevin De Bruyne more pressure on the other side. And a second half, Oye changes the centre back by. So the centre backs moves in. Now centre back no set me as a right back no then they call right back. And no movie Diego Dalot and then the bar left back to come and control Phil Foden. That is after the equalizer. And the equalizer ne by Abraham Akush Rashford Okoto from B and also sorry be tackle. It's fancy. How was switching Foden from baby at Diego Dalot quiet because Diego Dalot is right.
Okay.
Foden the left back at in. Or Obeje. Now moving in the core, right hand side, left hand side of City's attack or multi creative share, you know, to tell you a lot about what he's doing with this particular player and the team. And the number of goals I watched this season in the Premier League, 83 shots, right foot 7, left foot 73, head 3. XG, Edgina 8.2, goals Edgina 11. It tells you Phil Foden is becoming true and true player for Manchester City. Guardiola is molding him to become the top player or being a catalyst in terms of changing games.
Mate, me da say. Meza no no mamemra Mike na fe Mike nso mfa ne de no. So Mike say bibia fine.
Fancy nyame ado bibia kama. Na be san ka me pleasure space ne to ma pempem. But masusa entidia ye de ni man e beko. Good. So yeah, started from Spain. Now a lot of things happened over the weekend. There was Spain. Prominent amongst them, maybe the injury situation suffered by Pedri, and then also the refereeing controversy in the aftermath of Valencia Real Madrid.
Sompa.
You see, there's a young boy, or person born the ball upon the ball no di drew baby obeso obedrew. But you see there are certain things me pese etiase talent is not enough. There are certain factors that normally works against talent. Baako injury. Obetime ni ball ne bo sedien. But se pra amma wo kwan a ontumi begina go pramane so endi agro ne said yes. Now injuries are managed or prevented.
Not to cut you. I'm saying the Kenya challenge on Facebook no so make cut. By me say technicians I am network na saba. It's live on Facebook. Sompa 93.1 FM mobile Darama no wa share na fe. While I can add messages go there. But it's asaba back on Facebook no so Sompa 93.1 FM. Yeah say.
So say make no injuries you know. Yeah, wo kwan ye faswa ye si ano ye teso anasi ye free hokra. Now, for most of these youngsters, how you manage them, because almost every no, any no, and gunosa to say obi a waba or yes serial professional, wa boy do 26 years, 27, 28. So that wealth of experience, you know, it meet toughen the muscles up, and meet the pressure and the demands of the game. But for youngsters or teenagers who are coming up, so I'm managing your me pe. Obonso I say wo fast track your more progress no inti anonymous circumstances e was an kobo be 20 and now dependency e was abofra ne sunti now fe wo the netra 30 40 Messi suffered this early stages of the career not type rapper.
Okay,
so there needed to be a certain management, one of the lifestyle, 2 of the training, and then 3 even how I be using our games mo. So all these things are properly planned. Now, a kodru stage be not dependence in the problem or the burden will be borne by the player in its aftermath. And I say eventually, Ebine to Pedrino. What happened? Pedri abofro unity, UD Las Palmas in his breakthrough season, about 37 matches in all for them. And Kaweno no a teenager cry. But to play such prominence, a team like UD Las Palmas means that BB Kasiebi won him. The ambassador brought him on board. Barca then buy no. The minute no a double here from 37 no cost 72. So check it. In the 2020-2021 season, Pedri played 72 matches for club and country. Abofre Kuma. And 72 matches, yes, or about 20 minutes old. He started almost 80% of these games. And the Obama tra 70 minutes in so fancy, it drew 90%.
Sompa
Clearly, you don't place such huge burden on the shoulders of a young boy who is not even matured physically. Oh yes, I would ninya. Obebo Olympic Games ama Spain. Obebo the Euros the ama Spain. Obebo a couple of friendly matches and so the ama Spain. Wabasa Bebo Champions League, Abo La Liga. And not just playing these matches, but the stress alone of handling such expectations. Dodo na ehwese obeye bibi. One year careful pet. This kid will crumble. And only the edidimua. The season after 2020-2021, 2021-2022, I want to plan start. Sharak Maya Pedri in injury record no. So the injuries did not start immediately after joining Barca. It started the season he was overused. And you can check clearly. 2021-2022 season, injury Ben Onyai, hamstring, Otnan Cheng for 3 games. Then he came back. 2021-2022 now. Then he went out for 23 games, Spain and then Barcelona combined. That same season, coronavirus they call out by 2 games. Then in that same season, another hamstring injury, and also a call out for 13 games for club and country. And this was after he was overstretched. Omoyusuna Mabroso, until Luis de la Fuente, Pedri Bra Olympic team Obebo, Luis Enrique Pedri national team Obebo. And if you don't manage the minutes of youngsters well, it eventually plays a part in affecting their progression and then the sustainability of their career. Bueno, a Spanish Football Federation they play anato haumo. I will not blame Barca that much. Barca ne de no anaja padie. But national team no so obe fem ne kakra AUC. I think in all honesty, na ehun se Pedri after omu use no national team nim besanso akọ Olympic Games no akọ build up. He never had a period of rest. Until after 2020-21 season no, he did not rest. Yesanso use no, then he came straight into the season. It was not healthy for him.
And a man Barca and the federation in a problem over Gavin's injury.
Exactly. So they did not use the youngster well. And injuries no yani na muscular issues, musculoskeletal, muscular problems or hamstring issues. Ni nano bra overstretch or muscles, overstressing no. And these are the injuries the boy is having. Intenyo also catching a teammate ni be say the right leg ni baby we press is here no. De no wedding came 2 times before this season. Wa break. And when it's empire nyejuma no man can your man bomu ya ansha ne career highlight ne say ne beye obebo kakra knock out obebo kakra knock out. It is not healthy. It does not help anybody. Let's learn to manage how to use players well, especially Muswa no munyini di abashra. To the other agenda in Spain, Real Madrid issue, you see, according to the law books, referee nye bonibia. Good. But ye wo ekwanya ye faso de mra no edidwuma. Enti okọ FIFA ene IFAB omumra na ye de bo football na. It states clearly. Now this is the incident also. Yabo game no 90 plus 80 minutes. Quartered 99th minute.
No, the 7 minutes now.
And I referee the 7 minutes total, but they had to review certain decisions. Now Madrid ever corner. According to Omo Mujina Park, so almost a referee site say that corner and see a bowie na action say it will be the last action of the game. The referee indicated that.
Okay.
Good. Now your ball corner ne buy no. Mamash that's really the Valencia goalkeeper ebe pull ball ne koi. So instantly per the referee indication no. He should have sounded his whistle. Now, on the video, you can see clearly, keep an ebe pull ball. No. The referee indicated. Exactly. Then he entishe Hugo Duro and a Asia referee. No. Good. Now, Brahim Diaz Beji ball no, Eddie caught the flanks in an attempt to cross. And the video no kone anymore. Hugo Duro catch him and say, Nadia na wuyi. Dia woka ene babene. Then it will prompt the referee once again to sound the whistle. So the first whistle no came when Brahim Diaz 9 akabo na or crossing. It wasn't after the cross.
Me I say game so already game be live. Ahana or kwa 10 yabe cross. Na hana referee obo twice.
Yeah, about 3 times. Odin kan born one. One it was before Brahim Diaz ever cross. And a born in the interval. And was answer about second one and about third one at the time. So clearly the referee ended the game. According to Onono, referee lost 5 and lost 7. Eka say time no. Do control time at man a referee no. But where I think the referee is wrong, any law 5.2 decisions of the referee. Decisions will be made to the best of the referee's ability according to the laws of the game and the spirit of the game, and will be based on the opinion of the referee. What is the spirit of the game? Akomia just Google spirit of the game. Read the spirit of the game. Laws ni wo ho. Yes, a referee no ebedi ni juma according to the laws of the game. Really, sticking to the laws of the game, the referee is not wrong. But according to the spirit of the game, which speaks about one, respect for all the other role players or moago pramaneso. The referee acted in bad faith. And he acted in bad faith because, to me, he denied Madrid an opportunity to get a goal through unfair means. Read my
in football. This element is the fairness, decency, and honesty with coaches, players, umpires, and spectators must bring to the conduct of the game on every occasion and in all situations which arise in the conduct of the game.
Simple. Fairness, no. Honesty, no. So the referee, he's not wrong. He applied the laws. To me, no. So to me no did juma. But I was a uwo 2 minutes. Uma bibia baby and pepe ye bema. Esisi bi amba. He applied the law and then the SCC obi. This same thing happened in the first half against Cotia Valencia. Yeah. So the referee has not acted in good faith. Okay. And then in the true spirit of the game. And that is why I have an issue with Nyoma Ekoso. I was seeing him. Laws ne there and one no there. But common sense should have applied in the 2 instances, one for Valencia and one for Real Madrid. And that's the problem.
Me da se Mike, me da se pa anti me ba Bishop ho eno nti na mam se Matthew Lahos mu nyina be dina tenams na de wudi obi atem wonti kangen water me ba Bishop na Bishop atoaso kangen and magic drinking water alkaline nsuo ni and then so said the Ariana city said the near Ariana na te nsuo no to awie kra na de be che kwatim se still heat da so ewom ti bomodian so wonu mu nsuo a nsuo a wonu no nsupa nsuo anuane nro be recycle calcium afa potassium iron and it's just magnesium ashemu mapeno and also pebi now so no enkwada ni school a momo bi franco sanse bia adwemu e ma kwada no onkonkoda e wo classroom afei wonum kangen energetic drinking water so pompe aye moja ni eboa koma no ametimi pompe moja ni na and wachi kwada san bo kidney wo liver and wakoma ho ban ama chese dwumade bia wo se ni praduane dubia na etimi adi ebesa ma constipation every onum nsuo ya nane na nyoma pi e wo system no ema system no enso efanhye penso ebito nenom aye 0241 449191 0241 449191 and I say 0507 349474 0507 379474 aye kangen and I drinking water na chese wonim penfo no enso enkasa wo Bishop mamemra hoy
bibi abakode
nyame ado
ukani no na koyi kama na wadi di mo na say modi my humbe be jina na
Sompa Ibu had the last laugh
penalty na afidi no so sa tam to twene
yes
we no Torino furniture yanka udi sen
064
Kremon trabet ne mo bet zika unchi
Samum
dinner India yaha. Quite two things struck me in the course of the weekend no. Emu sensem no mu mienu ana me ahomkan. Yedi kan ekoso Brazil league nim Botafogo and Fluminense and na ebo. Na em say Botafogo players ne ba ko pra.
Kotwe ne beto
na ono han player abetwe no.
Sompa Sports.
Na em say esre kakra. Unua na player wasoniti. Na on one number 16 na betwe no Fluminense go gipa ne se kan ya kwa ne free park ne so no boy bo akofa ntokwa ba adentia yeah o say first half extra time and e ball no Fluminense da form 3-2 the Botafogo for no delay hu ne be come on leave there football won't kill us. Second one no so dance that ultra now occasion after 6 there continue jama supporters outside football is nothing. The passion and the spirit of the people who have invested their emotions into football omuni ni wa football ni ho look at the aggression na require players are two omokasin sa ni pay ogina we omoya attentive. I mean they are listening to him when you are so born adriam. No, but this is the beauty of football. It's not the first time, and it's not the last time. You bring ultras, any players, engage Jack Bonomas too much. You should listen to saying, "No, I'm not from Sam."
Under 30 minutes.
Yeah. Hey, Augsburg.
I'm starting born new baby.
Yeah, I'm under 30 minutes. I'm sure I'm 5. Hey, yeah. But this is what football is about sometimes, and you've got to love it for what it is. Na Torino match na boy na match na no edin. Torino mu coach Ivan Juric. Omo ni Fiorentina na ebo Fiorentina coach ehwan Vincenzo Italiano. Na am say omo mienu no ye boba na Vincenzo Italiano eno no enya akasa. Na omo nya asa heated argument no. And Ivan Juric. Ono Sompa Sports. O ka chere de ni tron kwabo Vincenzo Italiano say o meti o mini mitwauti. Na ye bobo ni wie no. Omo mienu ye TV interviews no. Na omo hage ye. Omo hage wie no. Na Juric esa ka chere ni say sa de we die. Ya na hadwen o na se be ni den. I mean, Casemanya, Juric na catch every chance. Italiano said, I was mean to you. It wasn't good. I went overboard. And you know, I was some patcho. Na send na me see yes, I had a call TV. So I'm hoping say, mahagi wo ya interview say abonu so TV for no come be fa no mo dia call. Send e be ya iriasi na be hu say ni akasa na chi no ye bo modern so etimi ka bom. Na opa acho wie no Juric no the usher space no dina hono fancy no catch TV no any Vincenzo Italiano say on timi nche boss dey see insensible
or patch where we
on timi nche boss dey see insensible fancy at some point there is that English striker who is in the Premier League whether you like it or not. Premier League near Casa it's been dominated by foreigners over the years. Nemum, English centre forwards have actually played their role in the success of this league. In every era of the Premier League, you'd find them. In the early stages, 92 Honebano, you saw Alan Shearer, Ian Wright, Dion Dublin. There were strikers there. Ian Rush, on the Division 1 and Sana Shearer Mubesum. Michael Owen, Robbie Fowler Kakra. So they have always been there. And the cool English strikers have always been there. Oko Newcastle, no more Tuntumba Kubi Oho. No Subo goals in the Python, less Ferdinand. No She goals in the mom. Obey Vatina, will ruin his off a Fabano. Nyoma Oyema. Baby Abefabiano, you can't also forget Kevin Phillips at Sunderland. Now, in the 2000s coming up, and Owen no, a time no. Owen no conform no. You could clearly see Sena Runiaba. No Bob Num Kama. Nansaya Yeka Kaya Yeniabre Hurricane. The contribution as an elite number 9 from England. Oli Watkins has the potential to follow in that step. Sorry, Oli Watkins Dinya from Brentford 2020 Brentford Championship playoff final no lose you no. No free. He wasn't so prolific. Nemum ne so ne de no she. Over 100 and something games, no more 40 something goals. But Oba Aston Villa no. Ohwe omo ani hu omo was our Brentford team nim. He's gone on a notch higher with his game. Oli Watkins said the amount for the back kindness and hat-trick no at Liverpool in 7-0, 7-2 or 7-1. But see fancy, he's an all-round footballer. Okay. And one of the key attributes of Oli Watkins his ability to drop deep and link play on show keke.
There's a key in the NBA.
Oh, it won't be South Sunu. And at some point, you better to about 9 games for the Three Lions. But English strikers are all league no. Ivan Toney, but he's the main guy now. Fancy Wama has 16 goals in 27 games. Last season, Obo 37 games no. Oma in 15 goals. So he's already surpassed his tally last season. Holland, Watkins, and Sana probably Salah Modi Echaba. That is the order now. You can't do without him. And he's been consistent this season. Or Bogos the Aston Villa. Say Leon Bailey ne kreti. Say Musa Diaby ne kreti. Say John McGinn and the swing corner ba. Like they did in that opening goal at Omoshe or Luton. Look at the connection. He made a good run and then connected easily. Into the Sikabeko Ombejo. Why? Because he's English. 2, there is some greater degree of consistency in his play. Into so called Watkins Ombejuska, Brian Imbumo, Said Benrama, Oli Watkins. This was the attacking three.
Yes.
And Timon for man qualifying in 2020. No, Imuchiche. Nancy Imbumo and Tony combined to bring them up. Tony Oho, but Oli Watkins is the guy now. And season we, man won your year or Luton Town. So boom, you know the back bopo. He was on the cusp of a hat-trick. Ntina yampa. Wow, nya striker no. Okwa ye bejo. Chelsea wo Arsenal wo. Wow, be ko habiano. Only Watkins would give you goals. Ohwe a goal involvement of English players in the European major leagues are. He's number 2 behind the sophomore, the elite man.
Yes, or no chance obeys me assign when you are home.
Oh yeah. Because when you're in Chibia, no Baba Bundesliga and Qua.
Yeah.
But matches now when you are carbon so dorsal compared to the Hurricane Eberbon. So it's important. Say then the Flowers Eberman. Alex Grimado, 11 goals, 10 assists on left back. Jeremy Frimpong, 10 goals, 10 assists on a right back. Alex Grimado in the Bundesliga alone, 9 goals, 9 assists. Jeremy Frimpong, 8 goals, 6 assists in the Bundesliga. Fancy. This is poetry in motion. Efe, now kono. Now ni mani yesripa. Fullback they didn't know say they goals and assists and a jejo. No you want to say. Left back and right back. Mo Bayer Leverkusen. Ene omoko ombitian sa. Didn't know say na the jejo mo. Nwanwa chese fancy. In the German Bundesliga alone, may other people and other Europa League in free. About 24 games, conceded 16 goals. Bayer Leverkusen. Their goal per game conceded ratio no under 1. Say 0 point something. They have that defensive start as a collective. Oma conceded just 16 goals in 24 games. And then they are going forward and causing chaos with these numbers. So offensively and defensively, Bayer Leverkusen fullbacks are elite.
Yes.
And as a collective, you could clearly see some Sompa Sports. You are running the numbers off like that. It's quite obvious. Nemum Emanin show team say we mu the offensive fullbacks. Your offensive. Now defensively, the numbers are there to show. So my juma no mo no. Eso any. Echina ye de Michael Edwards and Simon Baba.
Okay.
So upe akumia. Bono 99th minute winner. And he has into the Albert Kabiana at home.
Also, Obi Kwan the message about Liverpool CCA for.
Oh, come some patrol.
No, no, be cancer minutes the Nebia. Said there. I just a referee upon Real Madrid and the Liverpool them some referee. Real Madrid and on the time. Obi Koda from Obi J Card. Okay. What Bishop made us say, young Coswena, Yenim Commoner, many Ghana man capsules and pen for Ghana Herbs and Therapeutics and pen for any Comosimedu. Now, Yen Samra say, maybe I okay, dear. I don't know, seriously. Name was our baby. Because I come here or train and three. Walk out saw the baby, but the Bio Busame. I do not ever, and I'm cross over. I will drink Nah. United. You two now, Gassadi, here. Boy, come away. And then come home near the bread tea for near for because you see, and your course no more, and our first near course no more. Say, Nagana Health Therapeutics, you better than Aboma say, more hospital no way. You say a banner be a pomudin day, and we na asem die day on and then say. And the hospital no a jebo a janya be drew hospital na there ya bia you see juma executive prostate center it's a old temenka baby bia wo bia na utie me na wo hwe me no Ghana Health Therapeutics and executive prostate center hospital na aba juma ya share e Accra East Legon ufa and I would do UPS ya. Now the road leading to East Legon inside no UPS road na behun billboards akese be brea wo kwan ho a lead to the hospital so the one who billboards na the billboards na the one hu ni ya ubisa akola kra na obi a bebisa ni bia no beso nsa edo aba executive prostate center na ye de apomuden ene opepa ene ye adwuma ye de ene wo ho ye wo nurses akukudam doctors akukudam o munyina wo ba o mbegye mo feso no mahwemo aye de amama pomuden so aye de asisi ade amamo your 3D ultrasound machines are a best scanner yari na say how na how no na di another na di ametimi di adwa day account ye Doppler test na day e wo ho mo amonsane mo na etichiti no wetimi ai day aba ye Doppler test ni say ye hwe say mo jatimi di mo afusane yi ekọ wo limbs ni mu ana anti na ma onan na usane ye titiriti no ana ni nyina ye sa test ni nyina wo ho na aboa asiesiu ni ye sa ye serum testosterone test enso ye day e wo ho we ka say day ye de share the level of your testosterone because there be about FDA so I bought a mema echi say wow I am e won pam no you should do Ghana man capsules echi de enom now buy say ya na aba hospital what there you do for machine you do for sa test ni ahwe say o testosterone level no e was form na say e was show ni ehu kwan ya be de you do be fa so normal range of that testosterone level no for 300 to 1000 nanograms per deciliter eno ene ye be de ye be hwe say what de ene de e wo form na say e wo hwo ne ahwe we nyina na aboa apedru ye de kanwa anado do so fa e be boa na yi wo haw na de afiri ho nti oba executive prostate center no sebe yenye de enya agudie ne ye di ye de e wo ho ubedru ho a wa be hu machines akukudam labs akukudam ye de wo pharmaceuticals drugs ye de e wo ho a ye de be kan ama bibia de akoyi ade ama nti utie mi a ba bibiara wo no tutumrika na bra executive prostate center and there obia e herbal clinics pedro de ye won ho sebe mema dro prostate dro nyina amafo ye de da so amo ye de omo pe ayaresa na apomuden enso e kan bo na omo ye de ebo e kan ekosho na e kan ekosho nso apomuden ne ye de enwie pe ye emfa mo omo ye catch us tutu nine na bra executive prostate center ebia oboka 7,000 6,000 9,000 bi oba executive prostate center e kan e wo fom edi executive na nche say the mobile hospital wa ne boy asen na say modu pa
ye wo nipa na wo ba no wo client na wo ba no na ye executive wo na ho hia ye wo na ye obrempon enti na ye frɛ executive no enti say oba ye wo na we executive enti ye ma executive care said ye share obi a okuta 1000 de buy no and obi okuta 500 de buy nyan ka say ye share de okuta 1000 no eyie ni ahwe obi okuta 500 no so different there be ye hwe mu nyina the same standard yen bi film ene enfa bi nka we dia ho ne yaka se we anhwem ye na we anhwem ye da bi mu nyina mo ho hia ye nti ne efrem executives no nti se mo ba executive prostate center oba on kwa de na chese we executive ho hia ye nti na oba executive prostate center nti oba ye beje o feso ne ade ya hwew ama opomuden so ayede akoyi kama ade ama nti se opa ye chi akwan e wa Accra de a number ye de ye adwuma e wa Accra na obesa ofre e bia oba hospital na wa ye akwan a ofra baby a ugina bia ebe mo agina ho nipa eba abefa wo ede wa ba yase ho number ye de adwuma no 030 251 8469
8469
251 8469 the executive prostate center no eno ye obi beka say na say prostate yare nkwa na ye de ye hwe da bi ya ben ana say ye specialist ewo prostate yare wom eno nche say ada yare wa how no untimi fama yase ye say oyo ba we ye bema infections ene how gonorrhea herpes genital wax syphilis ni nyina ene how chlamydia ene how a wo de tutumrika na bra executive prostate center ye be bo na de adu account na yisa infections na wakwa over the years are intimi kono ye de adu be count na yisa how we nyina de afro ade amount male and female fertility wa wo de awoni intimi ma no tutumrika na bra eba yaso ye stroke patients musum betimi aba ye de aduro be kamo ni nyina how ni nyina na apomuden be dey ebe sa aba ade amamo it is utiemi a Ghana Health Therapeutics and Executive Prostate Center ya ba Ghana fo nyina it is utiemi a Ghana Man Capsules na ye nuro no e wo dwaso Ghana Man Capsules e boa asiesie mema no amom mema seminar ye dey edimu ade amamo prostate joy enso dwaso eboa asiesie mema no prostate wa Johnson tentem eboa amasa anyoma ni nyina na sa how ni nyina dey ejai ade amao tititiri ya show catheter tutumrika ne ba so ye ho Executive Prostate Center ye be hwe ne yi catheter na dey afri ade amao ye say 500 and so market no so eboa with immune boosting ebe boa boosting immune system no na mo apomudin ene general well-being so dey SCP esita ade amao infections and how wadro save 500 any our Ghana bam the almighty bama amaye nyina yenim say yedi chichi a waposo na ye o ya baby biara pain will be odi chichi a ebe de ebe ko ade ama and na crypto 400 the only malaria drug ya capsulate our market no so it's a utie a edro ni nyina our market no so me the number ebe to dia so how be na wo from and our person free now the untimi my so ye no enene ochine ya frɛ number si ɛyɛn doctor si na ane de yɛbɛdi nkɔmɔ ɔhaw bi ana nkɔmɔ bi ana de ɛkye wa adwin bi ano obetumi ne yɛdi nkɔmɔ yɛbɛgye ofɛ so ne yɛsi adwin kye mu ne yɛkye ɔkwan abɛfa so afa nnuro no ana de bɛboa ama atumi ade ɔpɔmuden SCP sita ade ama number no ɛyɛ 0244 72 70 28 0244 72 70 28 and it was 0240 211 709 0240 211 709 709 for near phone na say
but also hospital no is subi mai because
hospital no East Legon say hono ma down atrako down we make say Accra Technical College hono ma ne down hono ma na Ghana Health Therapeutics and Executive Prostate Center ya share near there we do UPSC wa frey number na yedi 2 ja no 0302 518 469 0302 518 469 odi e bia ogina bia no odu afrey ya do abefo aba
because prostate de be ma bia obi no mo ma yakase ana na ha adwe tina me sama o see location su biem na manfo aba no abeje o my say that sepa wo anti eno no anti Ghana Herbs and Therapeutics o mo na de Executive Prostate Center no aba hospital ko na ekwana ekwhwe prostate enwon sensem na neoma enye kama enfama Ghana Gross say dwumadi no so mo de modern so youth our Ghana obe embrace agriculture sans opportunities no ewo honom ema ewo dia agri business so akwanya ewo ma feba technical vocational skills NHS dia kan nyina no so your banner so ye bema 15 ekwesi 35 years o banner fe waba beje enwo futu banner career guidance ewom banner se bia career counseling banner career essential skills training nyina no awasa wo joining na ye contributing na fe yɛboa ɛma kyɛ sɛ Ghana ɛba kyɛ sɛ adwuma ɛwɔ agriculture mu a wɔsɛ no nso atumi pagya ɛkɔ soro san sɛ wei ɛyɛ adwuma kɛseɛ ɛde ma de youth nti ma ne mema no nyinaa no momfa mo ho nhyɛm wei no ɛyɛ Ghana Gross adwumadi a Mastercard Foundation ɛne Springboard Roadshow Foundation ɛne Limehouse ɔmo ana kabom ɛde dwumadi ɛte sei ɛnso ɛba nti number abɛfrɛ na wagye nkyerɛmu no mɔ ɛyɛ 0308 255 775 0308 255 775 time about center woman at the time about mishaba time about mishano just pharmaceutical shop herbal shop biama be kubiano sabe count time now one no be sense we no time about mishana yeah juma so e woni pedua mo what test for malaria na ba say positive enquadia ya ko say auto time herbal misha wo ba wo fafro enye ma obetu no fu anu amesro menum bi anafe akwada no onimuru fie duwenu kwa emane bi enum ne mom wo wadru mpani fie so the time heba mesha no tumenom ebetu malaria say na loss of appetite ni nyina no waji afri ho ama cheso nso atimi atibi adi ana general bodily pains no so beko ni nyina no aye time heba mesha dro ana make us time heba mesha and capsules enso aye adwuma oba nom bema enso enum aye immune booster dro tatashe boa ama cheso support ni peduano ema ekon editi anya de wahodo a eno nso ebe say ba fei make out say time hba mechanic capsules no nso no sensansa gu ase na oba haw ana se bema haw ni nyina no ya bomodi anse eno nso obetimi akona afei wo so wakwakope bia no ebe boawo eme sensansa ni nyina nso akọ aye 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 when a time empen for ebe kasa yefa commercial kakra bi amra yeba yeba fiefie so ehuru fie de yeba
Hey sewa me hu wacho me na no me bisa ekra so kwa brochu
Kwaku, afeina mebeko. Menkrata krani.
Hey, eni me ma connection man for den kofo sika adwane ne wanya otedi musa no.
Oh, Express Group adarumenti according to IF4. Opese otu kwan kosua dia. Express Group do be call mine be to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say a tour and say visit in so Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo am pese mo tu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi Asafule Roundabout Accra so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. From more much for ISO 055 555 0067 and 0249 000448.
Mamisha, time heba Mr. Bina Unumi, and ya what dropa, a ya draw, a ya draw say, a manipedian quamuano, and ya wadding, na a quatia yarie, and train yare and san wakakoto, fire word draw, nan abribia, Canoga Company Limited. What the time TIME ebe jasono wonwa and the time heba Mr. Edia bejaso akra wenya mfisia dumienu enumbi wopemfo ene oba wo makra nufo enso enumbi time heba Mr. Who benya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so pedudo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time heba Mr. Yadro say FDA adje edwadie nkratoe atum
the ones that now from toothbrush no why and toothbrush no ninya Ashford
na ninya ya Ashford there na so evident no way
who that the evidence ben ninya Ashford toothbrush
oh sweetheart Ashford toothbrushes no you want different types she abena dey ya moku hu Ashford Princess and obra ko judie no so Ashford Galaxy wo die na ira no so Ashford Evident media so Ashford Executive and now media no so Ashford Friendly
that Ashford toothbrush card to
My dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Eya papa, eya moto. Ne to me bra dodo mi ye dani bia akwashisha ho. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Eya Fibo Ventures na kofabe daso. It's phone friend 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They will soon need.
If I shop, I'm sure you'll buy it.
Brother, and not so good.
What time about Michelle see about Queen Wayne say?
Bra, said your time about Misha, as your Jimmy me fear for a yard about ever so.
Maybe I don't this offending now.
Bra, some make us me the time about Misha one dance ya. We are singing now about Timinka. It is some malaria. Where do any time about Misha?
I never go, dear, and what I want to me any deal. What do any time about Misha? A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. Dear one mark for down for any aquada when you fear do me and son of the time about Mr. Draven. Shasta Wako Hospital and Nasa Lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3-day malaria be answer.
I also time me a TIME. Time about Misha. I feel malaria fever be at Ziva, a woman. Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to draw namu. FDA Aji a judging cratoi at home.
And Chechi, if free gentleman dental clinic, and Chechra ubitimi, and I say Anamoa ubitimi afaso, and the above was saying a home by Odi Rina or Wonu, and Suya dia Iapa. In Yaninka Yena, Udidia, a cat wonum, I was so timid in Su, a hoho wonum na opigu, and no Ayana Moa ubitimi, and the above was saying home by. Oh, Situa, a one so a passe, I was a Usi. If he says a Wensi, a senua, Emma a sena, a cahono, a home day, a coffin, I was a ultimate brush with teetino, 2 minutes twice every day. Debiano, I was a ultimate spend it 2 minutes, and I'm not less than 2 minutes, and PP was saying, Anopa, any anywhere. Gentleman Dental Clinic, Yatia Quine, and Yara Pancra, Abrepo Junction, Total Filling Station, traffic lights now, and if G runabout on who free Total Filling Station, I have brought sign on a direct opposite to the Methodist School, a whole and a gentleman dental, a year you may free Eda Juada Popim Eda Memeda.
We are back, bringing you the latest lineup from Betway. Betway starts strong with their front two, with Free Play Friday and Swipe Bet. In the middle, you've got all the control with Cash Out and Build a Bet. Plus, with Win Boost, you can boost your sports bet. At the back, they have Smart Picks and the Partial Daily Jackpot.
You always get way more with Betway.
Enipa baako pɛ ɛna pɛm adeɛ hyɛ wo a obia hyia wo a wɔsan hwɛ obie mu ɔnoa ne bafo polo no wasua nkasa ɛna ɔde nimdeɛ no nso yɛ adwuma ɛnti sɛ ɔdwidwi style ɛto hɔ a ɛda hɔ a na ɛhɔmɛ bafo polo no ɔde Africa print textiles ɛna pam na deɛ bia ɛnti ɔpam Africa print polo shirts, round neck shirts, golf shirts, V-neck shirts ɛne pii ɔpam atufoɔ bɛtu kogu wɔn stores ɛne boutiques ɛnti sɛ wo so wonyɛ adwuma a bɛtu bi kɔtɔn na ɔnte so ma wo fan clubs, schools, unions, any a group pia. Muhia Dodrono, Edema members, no, any mu students, no, Mumra, Monso, Mope Friday wear, Edema workers, Bafu Polo, Camo, our gold package, and on Tadano Esemo Drium, silver package, Esemo Dunum, and a bronze, and Semu Du, or yet delivery, Echo Mama Panabe, Pia, Bafu Polo and Tadano, so yes, Echo Pia, now a Pamama, any member, Bafu Polo, and Kumasa and Marco Cobain, Santassi. Telephone 0249 600 789 and 0599 899 919 and on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, answer you at Bafu Polo. Me say, so we say Bafu Polo dia. Oh, and you know one session.
Sompa Sports.
Right, Yemre na fe yemeto aso e wo fie Lusa e de local news no for cheseni nyina na ba latest ones na ba ne mom it's my kitchen restaurant e adwuma na jwada anuane no bomorian so na it's my kitchen e be kasa mesro mom wo programs weekend dinner wo po biama wo de aduane and drinks e be hye ne sa na entwen man konkodru aye Saturday and samesro bonamane entem na on share so be 70 per 400 was 70 per 1000 and over ni nyina na aduane no ebia fufuo kakra na apɛ apeprensa kakra na wopɛ na ebia mo ne chesede aka no enso akawa is my kitchen say always at your service into mamodi enso beba na ono ne be kase say Ghana ye nuano ne de obedi bia no oton bi ewo ho ane ba no continental so a eno so benya bia to na wa enjoy kama fei mo nso amobesa mu di chese abibiri say tilapia no makacho so benku ne tilapia ya wada bia no buy one get one free Wednesday bia no enso pizza Wednesday and also buy one get one free and a drink and so there or the best natural fruit juice I just say flavors out of pineapple wom mixed fruit tangerine and ginger mango is my kitchen or and I be kwako didi na fe we feel kama or stadium eben traffic light and 0265707070 0265707070 and I say 0248865046 is my kitchen and so abejo so Boris B and Kokono come up weekend in nyase we dem say wunya Kokono sana so dia to catch say gate na wo 7 and worship we Boris B and Kokono sans halal I trust say wa wo to aduane so operate restaurant and I say bia chop bar e bia wo fufo joint bi achese ya na amanfo bo ba bedidi kramofo ba betobi wo bia ba betobi a de wo to ma ni power bra enkofa asemo ma achese na halal de yanka se nuano muslimifo no enso atom wase aye ho adwuma kama enu nti opeso jiwajo bi order se obeye nuane enkoko ma bomodi anso betobi de free Boris B de aduane utobi akofie so de bi yestu would be young kwan and it jacking nyina no so no Boris B ebeboa full chicken tie and I say chicken wings aye gizzard and I fe minced one achese ye edema and kraman wo fie nyina no and also Boris B say yanka ncho se bra na bejo de free ho ope bia to poku trading edum obenya SG mo e top pie tech and I fe aye body junction omo chef filling station no ho so benya bi ato obekọ Bantama High Street one Presby sorry edi enimhwe sa aye aswase market and Santase runabout so no one Unity Oil no and di enimhwe 0544 4453 0544444453 now Boris B and so enjoy so na jaka ni nyina no what dey eno and so that aso what Luther say on ye dey
fancy nyame adom na so
nyame adom kakra krokita
nyame ase nyame pa china so na o say kromu shiki
okay
china ye bo president cup
that's right
na enura na nka ye tetetetin simbia nti anadwe ni nyina ye nai
okay
on say asek for ba kroma kotokoni asek so de I say kruku ne kraka no mrebi atwampa nka nipa na o kanipa na kra but bibia e kama nti mame sha asem fi ho na memfa update bi from ra ni nyina no say enura na wo say asek team no ebe pm e Kumasi krodua mu ha no the chartered flight na ede bana flight no me pacho ne number no say any city the number ne TU-TSI/TU-TSK/TU-TSQ Kyo 400 Air Cote d'Ivoire na omude touch no na do 10 p.m. and a flight ne touch it down Kumasi na touch it down no and say nan komba flight ne so enti nanka wo say omunya boarding stairs on say plane si forma aya atwede na omufa so fra na so omuyem omufa so si no na say omba piem na Kumasi airport no reporter meeting say the last flight tour workers na pon enu nti say last flight to ombedu ye no na say omapon na nipa no so pretty boarding air stairs no na owura no ono so akopiem won kran enti na say obia no obetimi awo pretam na ye adwuma na omapon enu nti no mo etoto adwene na no manfa emebi kra yusu senka ebenka fire tenders ha esisi so munyusu sa omu staircase no na nkomoma players no enu officials ni nyina emfa so ankomo fancy nanso asek for no se da bi da omunsi omotena plane mu close to 1 hour ni nyina no omotitimu a na upiemu a Ivory Coast omo sports minister na okan bia no team nanso omanto mo ase no entimi anya atwede amfa so ansi no adesem no kasa flight no sa return ye ekopiemu o Ivory Coast na omukopiemu Ivory Coast no omama asek team no ankofie ye nearby hotel ben airport o ene omo kode no omsi good news edma Ghana ene say captain a ye friend no eye Ba Raymond no captain di no Ba Raymond o say abra pack ya na light off flight mu nyina tuntum ye enti amom no ma bi kra no mo ntimi anyi enti no serve as a good news edma eye Ghana for ne mpanyimfo ma omototo na Ghana ambassador na o free Ivory Coast or represent to mo ha no na danfo pa any current Ivorian sports minister enti om di nkomo om kowe benkrom se enna no pai by 11 a.m. it was a sec team no touch it down. It was a Kumasi airport. Na no kase yen central fund ya nam si for so 11 boy came and ya adese or more plane no etma touch it down. Na dia kofa sa at rencham we na ben say a sec team no on banana time no more exercise no or more na signal ba on beba time we say na exercise ba on beba time we say kika ubi and ma sa no more we nyasi ya and bedru ya omantimi anya air boarding stairs amfa momantimi ansi foma omosan return copy mu e every corners we be dem an hwebe enne enkorewe na o touch down o kuma sa mo be prepare ma bibia eso atimi aye kama na sense china 4 p.m. China 4 p.m. ena kotoko ene asek ade be pim so ama be kama na ene ena opiem Alassane Ouattara Ivorian president no eso Pimo Ghana no so abehwe adwodwo no ama bibia kama se be china wone Ghana ma mpanyini na no ebe grace occasion no ama bia so atima fine eno ena Roma Kotoko omo assistant coach aye friend David Oklo yebuza nsem game against Asek Mimosa no say na mo fa game mo fa no agroso anasa mo fa no ani breso
because even though it's a ceremonial game, it's an international game also, playing against ASEC Mimosa. We all know the history between ASEC and Kotoko. They are a powerhouse, we are also a powerhouse here. It's going to be a KG game, but we are well prepared. And as the current holder, I feel honored, and I would like to win it again. I will do everything to win it again. Yeah, we are very, very confident. We know our boys, they are also ready. They are training very well. You will be surprised.
Na say omonia bre papa ceremonial game and on be born omo boys na nia bre omo training kama omo say bia betimi aya fine and you ensam opandi tudwa na ye fra ye ntinsim eso Dreams FC omo kogina mo ewo abibrem a CAF Confederation Cup na omo kopiam nyame adom omo timi ate omo ananim enura omo ne Reverse United and the pem so ba na wie na Reverse United ahye Dreams FC ekamienu amomatimi ate ekanu baako nanso nyame adom o check said no manyina esikoya na setima ye fan Dreams FC etimi anya eye qualification amupem e the quarter final stage the last 8 teams are qualify APM eso e the quarter final stage e CAF Confederation Cup mu no Senator Abu Salam and your Dreams FC and Modern Future FC your Reverse United, RS Bekani, Start Malian, your USM Orges and Zamalek. The last 8 teams so the quarter finals no and the day amamono. Now Robinson again your Premier League no match day 19. Et me a baso na watri every year. Na your room sena resource no SU SC Ekoko Piemon. Opiema Santi Kotoko. Esha Sena no Friday. Against Gold Stars. Ewinia Kabakwa. omu entmente sasuna wrama na no Saturday Great Olympics eche Heart of Lions ebom 2-0 enura insuatreman etra insuatre any Heart of Folk at the pem so ema insuatreman to twadekane ema Heart of Folk Ibrahim Salifu na brante system timba boama bibia etimi ya kama wini 8-1 na game no bana we nebusa coacha ya fa Maxwell Kunadu se kwachito obian msanka obo nso atrene de anka be omo adwumade na si ya ama nso atamon 20 has for sunkunimi.
Yeah, it was a very difficult game. I think when we came in the second half we lost a little bit of concentration because the instructions were clear. My midfielders, one goal, one stays. They failed to abide by it and we conceded.
Is it a matter of the boys not responding to your tactics?
First 10 minutes they were not. I don't know what happened. Normally we don't lose second half games. But then that is football. We have accepted our mistake. We have accepted it in good faith. So though it's painful, everybody is finding it difficult to take. But this is where some of us will come in to make sure that
and your coach Maxwell Kunadu the tactical Maxi Priest and our test workers ano obiani akọ owura feno Abubakar Watara, the man of the moment, the savior. Heart of Folk boss kena ajenkwaba no ne be coachito dia na woka utim na nya ye and I still obasa improving the kakra.
Yes, I tell them in the dressing room this match is 3-1. We can win 3. I tell them it's 3-1. But you see, we mixed a lot of goals. But this is not a problem. We will continue to work in the maybe Nyamibebwa. We are working on the training ground. Come and see.
Say omugusomu ye dwumo training grass where catch and kwala grass o ebetimi abi wo mo be 3-1-4-1 kra na chances na timi amfa antum na e de say ono so de mamo na no achi no beka game wey eba so no the general manager Edmund Suatrema Bobo Konora and Eric Alagidede edin sampitudwa ese se wo kan Suatrema team no ele has team no boma has 3 players pe ele betima meki omo squad no chese omo nya dumbia na game no be ye ne ebuza se GM na die na see ya has ababe bomo esa no.
You're not disappointed because once again we were looking to break a James now if he's a young team and 2 years Premier League no now in our last 3 encounters we are losing to a particular club and picking from your former they started second round no. They are very sure, they are very optimistic said this time around no. I dare say you beat me a fully a quick one over Accra Hearts of Folk. But once again no match I say they are big boys in the Ghana Premier League and
omo big boys or say o tuche wajatum say has for Sompa Ghana Premier League no omo big boys enti omatima ba ho ababe hye wo no eno e de dawa ye de ema modumade no so wie ye ene ye se kwa Heart of Folk ne opare ado kasamafo eso akasa Heart of Folk nkunimdi a omunya ye no ono so o kan say
when we went down that's what I wanted to be there for the first time they were going to do it but once again this is Heart of Folk. And you know, I look at the football we never give up to certain pushing and pushing and pushing. And eventually they all accepted that we were a better team than them. And at 3 points now they are gone. It was 1-7.
Eno detia yede emamo odwumade no so na wurama eno a game ba kwa na nka wo se totwa Samates any Nations FC enso nti game no entma masa no paya no ndu enom de shasem no kese second half enya shase Nations ato atena ba kwa Samates the league leaders entminta brantia ye fe na few Suleiman ena etimi ato atena edi amatima ye fe Nations a game no guso a etodwa no chine ne about 3 p.m. Real Tamale United and Bofa Kwaso Bepim so ne so far my day 19 but we said a Ghana Premier League table no SOAC etie Urerama so far say and et Samates Edikai ewo 35 points Sasuna Santi Kotoko ewo 32 points the second third position Adriana ewo 30 points in Swatraman etosu 9 ewo 30 points Brekum Chelsea etosu enum ewo 30 points Nations FC eso etosunsia 27 points. Hearts of Folk Tosunson almost 27 points. The Great Olympics etosun watche 27 points. Bechem United etosun 26 points. And out to Asua. They said teams out no eso wo hosa. Ye don sam so edi emam ewo eyadwumadi no so. Na de so so kra no fancy on say 30th African Games no Accra 2023 na nka ho say enu akra na badminton no etimi baso ne so mo say venue problems in same time ma so na mom table tennis no ma no mema ni de bia di kan advance come na ma no so no ene omo represent ma no ye we so the best
conference center ona na
na ma no mo bo no ye wo ewa bisintia ogina kono ne na adom amankwa iva ene ye wo bokwe benis ena ye wo botei duanita omna represent Ghana table tennis manum amabia so kamenti eno so koso Accra International Conference Center
mate me da so penny Luther de fiedia no abame babadwafo no so Kulun Ghana Limited no papa China for more help so more ma NHS so mu nuane hini ana mo jaye enroi de abadwa so bema wodun so mu problem o prostate na kase enlargement abam now person you ma simple ema wodro no ye hunchu capsules ana beboa wodun so awote yaw e bema ma fe wodun so ne mu achemi no wodun so awie kra no wo kan wa de ahye e bia wotra mu na so egu shots no madro no no hunchu capsules ana beboa ne mo so modern bo e wa bra no oba ehiem se bia no wifi e wo mpa so na oba dan no so adan no se bia wo bejo points no drive fan say Mr. Kill bomodian so betro sampa wo bema musisi ade ne ba dro no Mr. Kill low libido and a slow erection premature ejaculation nyina no we ene beboa ma wo to ase kam ana oba wa dro no araba bazen tablet no so ebeboa opa oba ebesiesi o kama cleansi wo system ne mu na afi nyoma ewo ho a chese emwa na ewo se pie ba ne nyina no ne nyina be pia ba ama menstrual flow ebe kama menstrual pains wonti biem ba bia to bia akwa also pe Kulun omunu pa ne bi 0244 275429 0244 275429 0206 271016 na chase on Kulun Ghana Limited and so enkasa bafu polo nensa no fe emane memanta de uzi African print and a depam or pam polo shirt golf shirt round neck and a v neck ni nyina no bepoma ma ema de wom emema de wom ema no wotimi pam de na straight ewa bra straight dresses ni nyina no we ni kama so ye bema na so bana ebia mo wedding ebe kwa so pre-shoot and ye shara mokapi ni nyina no be hu bafu polo now why any come man wa fake companies and institutions NHS am krankra mo be say munya mo Friday where NHS Wednesday where ni na no aye bafu polo atade a wo pam no wo be share dia ko program bia bu be dam sonko eno aye bafu polo ensa no wo ahenema kokobin wo do ani tra santase kwan no so sa kwan na so na de lady akọ ahenema kokobin 0249 600 789 0249 600 789 and a 0599 899 919 0599 899 919 Bafu Polo abejoso meza.
Yes, fancy ma yenche eti for them makwa some passports so interestingly I think say I didn't see enra ewo Kumasi airport no a hard dream but sheda hard dream be bresa na me aduma ochina nyoma betima akoso yi na entia nya na yese by 12:30 p.m. this afternoon na asek musa etimi ababeju from Ghana I invite especially from Kumasi airport to Abidjan. I'm not sure it's more than 1 hour 45 minutes.
Okay.
Tino mobile na no mo ye do.
Tino musa ko no.
I'm only wondering where they are going to train, how they are going to train today. On do 12:30 na time bomba ko joma home tambe no ma ko train tambe. They've qualified for the next one, which is the quarterfinal of the CAF competition so in the hoops so betimi carry on no betimi akoje. Banyame aduma ochina no activities ni really packed. Now, Omone Shetri around 4 p.m. to actually start the game against Kumasi Asante Kodoko. Early in the mornings, you know, Yebenya senior high schools no bakusi akaino. Supercars more
the same pitch now.
The same pitch. Schools makum watching. na omo ma time no crampo nye bebre omo so mbebo because I asked that particular question me bisa NSA boss no director no I asked him say pitch no condition but also they will make sure say by 2 p.m. nyame admo china na every other activity or pitch ni should be no they are done with it.
Okay, the next one best start the whole kind of papa.
On best starting on papa by 2 p.m. no more reading then on be water pitch no so be they also mo bia within 2 hours by 4 p.m. no President Alassane Ouattara, His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo omo nyina be around na omo behwe na within that particular 4 hours to 5 hours I don't know how they are going to actually cope with it but tertiary for no so ba be kakra pia menka KNUST Garden City most of these guys is Subabe Bobby and some of I know say it's an opportunity to get a lot of people into the stadium. Momo percent senior high schools in the Crampo occupy one particular full stand over by sports stadium more. Say either scoreboard na say ponechi na omunyina wo hwa omudi omujuma. They want them to have a feel of it. Na utifie na say ubisa say ticket price say a free gate. Nyame admo ochina but VIP side Sompa Sports no venture. But center line poechi ni dey free obi opeso ura obia because VIP ni be take care of a lot of dignitaries dodo na abeba on say most of him penny for na kokofo dua na akwa 6 match no ti dodo na will pass through baba sports stadium nyame adomo ochina because the president will be there and the president of Ivory Coast will also be there and a national security issue so for the VIP side ne there pressure be but for poetry to the center line in a free gate you can get the opportunity and upon who school be now supporting now you can come along over who school no about support you coach Roy in any university for the sobeba let me say team talk about penny ba ko te ase on the bia onye red dress room or dress do asa ko red dress room workers let me say omunyi na o china me say betimi atwa for mo kon kakra na for mo chi kakra let me say we dey betimi for mo na ase ene bibia na obeje ase o mo na so muji gusa games nche cars so beje milo games so nche pa mo chopa isremo mo relax na other schools in the beti sana hihye no do na betimi akoso nyame adoma ye ochina e wo baba sports stadium. I must say I'm very impressed with House of Folk performances in the last 2 games. In Swatranka Sunday this season omo home matches no on the last season House of Folk pen akosho omo home but this season omo lose 2 games. Karela akosho omo 1-0 and House of Folk akosho omo by 2-1. Yes. Last season no more averaging not less than 2.5 points per every single home game and omo. But as it stands currently, I'm in Okasana, it's 2.11. So they need to buckle up and quite chebebre. But I been some catch up. And the amount so at my league last season in an home games, no more too splendid when they went to away games. No more time lose away games, but I think Max also balance the equation. Home no more draw Lusubino, away no more points ni be day. But they just need to make sure somebody me are building the momentum of here because when you say our grounds in a day, a sweat day. But for House of Folk to do it back to back, no, I think they know something there we don't know about, which means someone in park and a suburb, and always when they go there, they know when to take their moment and win the game at the end of the day. And me impressed with the results. No, munya bobo banka kranka. They needed this confidence. House of Folk here we ba. And coach ni in full confidence. They should take it step by step. And they shouldn't raise expectations. And yes, our results back wronger as Oshebet pick it match after match. Relax it. Now at the end of the season, they will know where level yede. No more pushing this no more fanko. And the performances no any results in but Bona has full kubono. I think say now the partnership between Hamza NCC on 2 top no. You have 2 different different profile strikers be more anymore ma. Kasim Sisi na ono na TikTok. It's more or less like Eric Bekwene Baba Kwabena Yaro. Also Kwabena Yaro height or Jibo no na to ama Bekwena be Edmund. I think that is what we are seeing with House of Folk with Hamza Issa any ACC no. And your numbers are same eka, but in terms of their style of play, and the structure, that is how House of Folk and Salim Adams. I think also add a little bit of bite to the House of Folk team. And Salifu Ibrahim no Jina 2 strikers we here. You can expect enough creativity. You can be sure of enough creativity. You can be very sure. And I think some defense no more careful kakra na omo build upon there. And that was a mistake. I mean say Kosa will build upon it and Obesha we know pray there to baby. Now we're picking up the pieces now in the near future no what me perform. But I'm happy for House of Folk. Okay. I'm really happy. But Summer Tex will lose fear. This will be the biggest results I'm winning this weekend. Fancy. It's a game name and they one they will say Samatex out of 8 games
73 minutes still Samatex 0 Nations 1
na Nafi Suleiman na da me GDD pa ekotokone Nations FA Cup Jumo didi no Morese ne Nurudin that was a game very quick fit ama or form kakra enti or quite a solid balance upiana heading or show anima heading pa on no pace I'm a bot Chastila mo cross ni bi no. Oba sort the do you mistake now on kakra wait match wongu. Very effective and efficient. So it's no surprise on Akunya sa go ni dia mo away. And Samatex every ni 8 out of 8 matches with you. It's okosho mo say kukro fancy. I think say Kasim Mengo this will be one of the biggest results I'm going this weekend.
Mate, Meza, Medase, Mike.
Fancy. Who be here say second round yeah you real me. The two big clubs, House of Folk, Kotoko, Ebenya, and improved performance and results away a league name. The anti-American is a domedio machino. So, omo bonne koya, add an extra bite to the league na yebono. You will have teams like Samates, Ebenya, and Swatrema Nations more punching above their weight. But Korokone has closer to the top 4. Not even the point gap between Omone, the Odastrono, and Munchim Bibra, and man common sessa, and ama any and so balig. Okay. And until idea Abubakar Watara so far with the Hearts team, no, I am one of those who are very impressed at it. Now, the reason here, Obaye, no, Coach Biaba Fufra. Players will demonstrate a different attitude from what existed previously. Into our players now. So be a person show say at least also deserve a chance. Now this will continue for about 3-4 weeks. After the 4 weeks, because by that time, na coach need me settle on players be or geomodipa and no more geomodipano. He will work on them our training near there. But Omo Jomo Dipanen and now they will start earning consistent minutes. If you don't manage that period well, say Omo bet na bench to do any Omo Bebo do. So I'm managing ye in terms of a year in Semba Kumyunubia, people will have issues be se memete bench. First na me gidi se metimiabo. Afe mete bencha na ma starting ya issues about Kumyunumi and Sabi. If you are not careful, ubonsa afe babe dane nebuabo coach no. So I am very impressed with the wire so far. But I think a Jumane Kessiano will come after 4 weeks. Yep, it will come after 4 weeks when we settle on the team Juma. These are going to be very crucial times for him after 4 weeks. But so far, the momentum is on his side, and he looks like he is warming himself into the hearts of House of Folk fans.
In the post matches now,
I said we need Jen Juan, anti-Frenchman. Is doing a good job so far, and if this continues, then it will be one of the finest additions a House of Folk has had a coach. Anna fans, Ajina Tumprekope. That was Samuel Bwedu. But when the results started changing, eventually some of the fans even fell off, and they thought, say, the coach ni yeno muntimi intane chibio. But his iconic shegu and so chant na no moyeno, it has remained with them. And it's a way so bad no yen in your year. I think the Frenchman can strike a beautiful relationship with the House of Folk faithful Ebebwa. A united House of Folk is difficult to beat. Yeah. So House of Bebo, not all the various factions, a kabum say way dear. Yeah, corporate adje adia na botaye si eniso amana bemua. Ayaya na enye densa. And that is why I think there's what the man game, the determination from the fans and the enthusiasm from some of them to see through, say, or more echi enka from after 90 minutes. I think say it was also a factor in what happened. Was a coach myself could do him or say especially mobile second half, now the players, they were not following instructions. There are times there may be about course, players in the park and so cry, they will not see or know what has hit them. And these are some of the things. And to all Bohas players, Nabaso, Kasim Sise, and Hamza Issa partnership has been a breath of fresh air. So, the best replica for Hasso Folk Strike be a Bertremwa, a year for Kasim Sise. You have to look at Louis Ageman. Hamza Issa there. Last week I cited an example in Ishmelado, based on their wire, the runs. But he is not as prolific as Ishmelado. But Ishmelado did not become prolific in his first season. It was after years of development and a fired man. So eventually, I think the two will come good. And a Beboa has to Bobo to Dreams FC. Ghana shining light in Africa. Dreams win the FA Cup, and a lot was said. Near Momo no bribe na day. But I am happy that time has revealed truth. There were allegations made against them. I think a large goods are cracking will be. So there was an offer. So in that game, ni more no monshare na there in a league or became na there. A lot was said to taint a FA Cup win no. But I'm sure say the Omaye will give credence to Santo and Komono. Now obi o kan kasafin bia for mo bia no. We want to change their conversation because whatever thing they've done in the group stage, they are deserving. And it's not just that, they have topped their group in their debut campaign. The last time a Ghana team, BBC, was both Asante Koroko and us in the maiden edition or the maiden installment of a CAF Confederation Cup. And then Omo Press so the call final Omumi and so clearly, what Dreams FC Ayeno, a idea so near was here about Mabaso. How have they done this? Omo team nom the GFA Cup, they decided to add certain aspects to it, back on a experience. And this is where John Duku entry comes in. John entry a born a born, one born to do one ha Ghana as so. But he played mostly in North Africa when your experience no as a prolific and a well-known goal scorer, especially in the Egyptian league. Now Wababak. In Prempin is a players never back say I am not 1 year careful at manager year. They won't deliver results not on the pitch. But this is what John Entry has done. 1, leadership. 2, being a perfect team player. Leadership near there. On the pitch, he is able to talk to the players, galvanize them, abra or more from in terms of a more focus or more concentration. Now or tia or money or more kasa yese. And these are things that the young ones need more or more peke and the more mujno more so into their coach na kind of crans are referee yaba or be or park in this one all yes you mediano. Then the perfect team player. Abdulaziz Issa or Shegoe. He's one of the top scorers in the competition this season. Ocheki goes a washer any nipa what provided assist in the amana. The most constant name I'll be John Entry. So he's an enabler, he's helping his teammates. And I think said Omaye, kudos to Obibia, Karim Zito, the rest of the players. But I want to single out John Entry and praise him for his leadership and
Abdulaziz in the DM say Ombe Huaje Scapa. Bishop, my memory.
I know so.
All right, fancy. That we live in a country where Enranajo 10 p.m. Ubenya strange call asking about Adena Sadema we air person. Sounds funny. And it's very funny. President, the executive secretary, Nana Asantibedi too, the Minister of Finance, Ken Ofuriatta, were all involved in attempts to make sure say ASEC could land in Kumasi. Now, ambassador now, or representing Cote d'Ivoire, Ghana, no, also ho. Ubia Ntimin call because airport manager ni ho.
Last flight in the Juliana as well.
Good. Fancy. Yes, repani. Aviance for no. Omo stairs ni bi ho.
I mean, we say B.
Alaliba ene you see omo hear video now won't say bakosho.
Bakosho. So almost do operating na ono ko we na.
Adentina sec now omo mumba be ball.
Some passports.
asek na omo mumu ebe papa no omo mumu air force sinye how you can see a dwell on a day we are. I mean, it's going to take a lot of time. Let's be positive.
We team beyond I
tell you,
because I'm on my break.
Kotoko should be ready.
When you show some go through
to dignify Kotoko ne asek no. It's not quite omo say ha na home match more.
That's right.
Omo say omo ba she Kotoko wa. You give them the benefit of the doubt and then see how it goes. But na menim no kwani. Enye ni so. Enyo. Ya na mo ntuo bi wo mo enye kra mpadwumfo hwe no mo sesa. Alali buy no more replaying ntimi nsi ha because you see how you ntimi fa local flight, domestic flight no. And until you say buy na sa konkran. You guys are alali be drum kan no mo ka the following morning on buy. It's a similar thing that has happened to ASEC.
Nigeria for no be do more match dey bia.
South Sudan we na say sesake. Brana ye born, brana ye woman moye. And sem fata. It's not proper. It's not. Any papa cry. It's not. I mean, penny function on one amount to no to. I will the end go system.
Go flight in the grounds with your mono more. Oh,
when it be the Befa Black Stars free had your moko Afcon.
Yeah, mono.
And until our for not in the buy.